Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the D10 Detectives YouTube channel. Today we've got another review. So today we're reviewing the AutoBrite Top Gloss. This is a instant wax drying aid. So there's three ways you can apply this to the car. So you can apply it through a bucket. So you pour a bit in the bucket with your shampoo and then apply it when you're washing the car. You can apply it with snow foam lance, and thirdly you can apply it just as a, well, you can dilute it as a spray and then apply it like that. So today we're going to be applying it through a snow foam lance. So I've tried a few sort of like snow foam lance sealant type things before. Some have performed good, some have performed not that well, but yeah, I'm interested to see how this performs. So we picked this up at Waxstock for a price of £5. So we thought, yeah, it's worth a go, and if it's good, then yeah, we'll look into maybe buying it more, and well, seeing what the full price is. I'll put the link below for this product. So this is called Top Gloss. Yeah, so let's just go through the instructions and what the label says. Okay, so the label says Top Gloss is the ideal way to impart that just waxed look with barely any effort. Top Gloss can be applied to paint, plastics, chrome, rubber and glass. Top Gloss can be applied by foam lance, pump sprayer or bucket. And then it says, so quick, so simple. So like I said, it can be applied different ways depending on how you're washing the car or what car you're washing. And then it does say we recommend using Top Gloss through a foam lance to achieve best results. So that's what I'm going to do today. The instructions says surface must be spotless, clean and wet to touch. So I've just washed this car behind me. I'll go over with the hose before applying it. The next step after doing that is mix approximately 200 ml of the Top Gloss into your snow foam lance bottle, and then top the rest up with water. Then apply in the usual manner. Spray to ensure complete coverage. So what we'll do, we'll just cover the car. Hopefully it'll foam up quite nice. I know previous sort of like foam lances, lance protections, yeah, it's not really, well, it's basically just come out as water. So I'm hoping for a foam sort of product, but we'll see. And then it goes on to sort of say if it's by bucket, you put the same in, so 200 ml of the Top Gloss and then a few litres of water, and then apply by the mitt. And then at the bottom it says allowed to dwell for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse and then dry for an extremely deep gloss. So that's what we're going to do. Let's mix this now and then we'll apply it to the car. So that's the bottle filled up. It's quite yellow in colour. Let's apply it to the car and then leave it to dwell for 5 to 10 minutes. so just looking at the camera, it's been on 4.5 minutes. So yeah, let's wash this off and sort of see if it's done anything, like provided any protection or water behaviour. One thing I will say, I did like the way it came out of the snow foam lance. It was more of a foam, so yeah, it was easy to tell where you've been. As time's gone on, it has sort of like, well, the foam has gone, but you can still see the product where it is. So let's rinse it off now with a bit of pressure and see how well it's performed. Okay, so that's the car all rinsed off. First impressions, it has provided some protection. You can sort of tell that I've applied the product. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a video of how it was before with water behaviour on the bonnet. So this, yeah, there's no water protection, water behaviour at all. And then now I'm going to show you a video of how it is after the application. So as you can see, there's a lot more water behaviour. The water does run off the bonnet a lot more than it did before. Okay, so that's the sort of like before and after. What I'm going to do now is go around and dry it. That's the whole point of this product, to, well, I guess speed the drying process up and well, just help in the drying process with the water sort of running off the paintwork instead of hanging around. So let's go around and dry that with the drying towel now, then I'll come back and do the verdict. Okay, so that's the car all finished. It did make it a lot easier drying the car off, because yeah, paint without any protection on, it does, well, the water hangs about on the paint, so your drying towel does get wet a lot quicker. So with protection on the paint, the water runs off. It's just a lot easier to dry. There's less water about. So this review was on the AutoBrite Top Gloss, the instant wax drying aid. I'm not sure how long this sort of protection will last for, but I guess I'll find out over the next sort of days, coming weeks. My impressions, I like the fact that it comes out, the snow foam lance, as a foam. Like I said before in this video, other sort of instant waxes and drying aids that I've used before come out the foam lance as sort of like a water, which yeah, it's not something I like. Also, I've used about 3/4 of the snow foam lance, which is 500 ml. So yeah, you probably could squeeze 2 cars out of one snow foam lance at 500mm. But yeah, well, I haven't used a lot of product here, so yeah, this will last quite a long time, a good few washes. But if this protection does last sort of like a few weeks, then I guess you wouldn't need to apply this every single wash. I'll put the link below for this. And yeah, it's a cheap product that does work, and yeah, I quite like it. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure you hit the thumbs up on this video if you've liked what you've seen. Come back next week for another video. Cheers.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!